a lot of our residents needed help in repairing their homes so they could stay in their homes.
Protecting Good was really an extension of our efforts around the stadium. Once we put our name on that stadium, we knew we needed to do more for the community and the neighborhood around it. So we went on a listening tour, meeting with different neighbors, touring the area, listened to what their issues were and problems. And because we're in insurance, one of the topics that came up was that people weren't able to get insurance because their homes weren't prepared.
And here, not only are they using the $10,000 towards the grant program on the roof itself, they go steps farther. And using some money available through community development, they're actually doing the repairs inside the house from the damage that has occurred because the rain has come in. Making sure that that home is livable and under a safe and strong roof.
I always believe that for any city to progress, any city that's already progressive and doing good things and improve its quality of life, the center of it is always genuine public-private partnerships and relationships. I think this example of these various partners puts us in a very unique position that we would want to be a model community for other cities to do, and how they should be supporting their residents, and how partnerships look, and the return you get of keeping people safe.
Birmingham and Alabama is a lot of tornadoes come through Birmingham, and so high winds and storms is a concern, you know, when the weather gets bad. And so one of the first things that happens is, you know, the roof flies off, you know. So, you know, when they expressed that it wasn't a regular roof, that it was a fortified roof, that was just music to my ears.
So if it rains on your house and the wind blows at your house, you need a fortified roof to protect your home. So it's not just a coastal issue. This is just where it began. It's always been our goal to move this and help it and have this program benefit Alabama residents statewide.
Yeah, because I was afraid it was gonna leak because it was in my bedroom, up over my monitor and over my armoire, and I was just afraid every time they even said it was gonna rain, you know. So after the roof got put on, I had some peace of mind.